Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I still think we're either in a running flat wave C or an expanding flat wave C. I think that this is going to keep on trending up, maybe looking like this, or possibly looking like this for an expanding flat. Either way, I think that we're going to make a pretty big uptrend on the shorter time frames. Heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this is the end of a crescent, end of a wave 2. That makes this right here 1. I think this is kind of like an irregular WXY for the wave 2. I think we're in a wave 3, and I think the wave 3 is very likely on these higher time frames to continue to make higher highs, higher lows for that wave 3 of C, expanded or running flat wave C. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this is a 1. I still think this is a 2. I still think we're in subdivisions of a wave 3. Most wave 3s do go to the 161.8% minimum, so I'm definitely still bullish. I think this is very likely to end up looking something like that before we get a bigger pullback for the wave 2 of wave 3. So, keeping all this in mind, taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think we may have the end of a crescent. I think this is making like a running flat because it definitely looks like 3 waves down. Looks like 1, 2, 3 waves up. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down for a wave C. I think we might have made a running flat wave C, and if that is the case, then this is just going to keep on going up, and this is all just subdivisions of that bigger wave 3 on the much higher time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely do got a nice break of structure. Like I said, I think we may have a running flat wave C. Definitely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. Definitely a Fibonacci bounce. I think the wave A is 3 waves. I think the wave B is 3 waves, and I think the wave C is 5 waves, which is why I think it's a running flat wave C. If that is the end of a wave C, then it should continue to make higher highs, higher lows. It should go up and break these previous highs and make its way up towards that 161.8 Fibonacci extension level that I was showing on the higher time frames. If this is the case, then I definitely think you need to continue to look for longs at the end of pullbacks on the shorter time frames. If it doesn't continue to make higher highs, higher lows on the 1 to 4 hour time frame, then maybe get out of your longs and maybe even consider going short. But as long as it continues that series of higher highs, higher lows on the 1 to 4 hour time frame, then this is most likely the continuation of the uptrend, which is a wave 3 on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live analysis and trading sessions. And it also gives you access to my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry. You get all this by signing up at my website at fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.